Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So having two different programs for building your MCI or exe installs packages of programs to install them with your style, with your menu, and to install them like you want, as you want, as repack with scattered program, or as your own program, as your bot distributed program. So having two types of programs. The first one is master repackager, and the second one is called advanced architect installer. Install a more complex program, but it has, for example, what I can tell you about these two programs. So advanced installer architect wins by any means against master repackager, because I tried these two programs to understand their worth, and what can I tell you? That advanced installer architect took only 50 minutes for 9 gigabytes program to compress at maximum level, and to create exe installer, while master repackager took 4 hours and 20 minutes to do the same job. What can I tell you? Here with master packager you have some simplicity, but the first sim out you make like a photo shoot of system before installation, but you need to install application. So that's the problem. With advanced installer architect, you don't need to install the application, you can have it installed already. Here you need to install, you are losing time. Again, much more than 2 hours, 2 hours 20 minutes or 30 minutes plus this time to install. You are losing time, so you don't have here a great menu to think about, and all of the same you cannot create exe installer, but MCI installer, and at the end not every build can work. For example, this of 9 gigabytes I tried 2 times with compression and without compression, and it didn't start. With compression, without compression it started, but it took probably 20 minutes to start the menu. So this is the great disadvantage of this program. It was on a computer with 8 cores and 8 gigabytes of RAM, DDR4, so SSD M2 SATA Kingston the fastest. But you see how the thing was gone. With advanced installer architect, you have, as you see, different menus here. If you are counting about time, you can just bypass almost every of them. Only 2 menus you need to select, like compression, some menu, interactive menu, and here you can create both MCI package style and exe style of installation. And it took, as I told you, 50-40 minutes to create with maximum compression. And the application after that, it started immediately, but to install it took probably 1 hour to install 9 GB program, while with master repackager it didn't even start. And if started, imagine how much time it could take to install if here for 1 hour. All the same, I recommend you not to play with these things, but to work with DAA file instead, which is not a zip style file or 7-zip RAR. It is an image type of file which you can open with a virtual image loader, and you can simply copy to your preferred folder. Of course, you need a little time, not so much time as with advanced installer architect or master repackager, but you need a little time to get your registry and just to match it after. That's all. You will not lose so much time, and when installing, when opening, you win. So, for example, with such job, to prepare to package, to open, to install advanced installer architect wins against the master repackager, but both of them are losing at the battle against DAA image style file, because in time you are going to win. Nevertheless, from 1 till 5-6 hours, depending on the application, on the program you use. It can be even probably in a setup file. Probably the same situation is there. So such a manual glorifies a god.